que me diga que te deje jamás de amar.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, it's dripping pretty bad.
Yeah, and yesterday morning, yesterday, the next day, whatever, no water, no hot water. So I came out, I saw it, I said, well, okay, probably we'll start. I did it. I shut off the gas again and started working for one night. Today morning, no, again, but I could not made it work.
Okay.
So yours?
Yeah, no problem. I'll get started.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Whatever, just Lorenzo told me, you have to call him, okay? About your payment or something.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Because he will take care of it.
Okay, I don't know why he put the water heater in a pan.
I don't know. He was not. I believe he told me the story
Because
yesterday.
it doesn't do you any good outside.
Yeah, exactly.
Because the pan is what's holding all the water.
The water, no?
Yeah, the pan. See, the pan is what's.
Yeah.
You gotta get this. You gotta get this water out of here. So I'm gonna have to drill some holes.
Whatever you have to do.
So it'll drain. Yeah, because the water. What happens is the water. It gets into the insulation on the side and soaks up like a sponge and chokes it out. So there can't be any water in the combustion chamber.
Okay.
So the pan doesn't really do any good. I mean, a lot of people like pans, but sometimes they don't work. And I'll see what I can do about this. I don't have one of these. You know, but we'll try and get it to close.
Okay.
And
that day I opened it and closed it. Because sometimes they start to work again or whatever.
Yeah.
But nada.
Yeah, sometimes if you...
but from the bottom, and I say...
Sometimes if you tap on them...
And they stop doing it. Look, see?
Yeah. That's the trick. You gotta... Tap it. You gotta tap it closed. So I think that got it a little bit.
Okay.
All right.
See what it could be from.
Yeah, it's flashing. See, it's flashing. So
yeah, it's supposed to be blue.
Supposed to be blue, so I'm gonna have to count the flashes, and then it'll tell me what's wrong. So
okay.
We'll get that figured out. All right, sir.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
No problem.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a 7 flash. Oh, we never see 7 flashes, do we? Yeah, we got a 7 flash. We'll try and shut it down. So that means it's probably not the thermopile. If we can get it to kick over, we can reset it, and then he's got a lot of water in the combustion chamber because the temperature pressure relief valve was leaking, and they've got it in this pan. See that? It's totally pointless outside. I mean, you only really use a pan if it's in a garage or inside a house. So some people, they don't know, they just figure it goes with it. But anyway, you know, one little trick I learned. Let's see if it works. Yeah, check this out. This is a cool little trick. I want to teach you guys this today. So he's got a lot of recycle containers out here, right? Well, this cap on a 2-liter bottle fits perfectly over this. Check it out. It's not ideal, but I think if you put like a gasket in it or something, I never knew that. You'd be surprised how many piles of recycling are right next to a water heater. So 2-liter bottle. The cap from a 2-liter bottle fits perfectly right on the drain valve. Just FYI, that's my tip of the day. And you can see there's about 60 of them out here. All right, well, I'm gonna go get some of my tools so I can drill this thing out, and we'll see if we can't get this thing relit. If not, we'll have to change the gas valve. Way to go. A pan inside a pan. So 1002, 1003, 1004, 1006, 1007. So the water heater fired up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Put it back down to hot. 7, 1008, 9, 1010, 1011, 1013, 1014, 1015. $15. Okay, we're gonna open that up. Okay, so I was able to drill a few little holes in here, but I'm gonna have to get my vacuum. I did the reset procedure on the valve. I took the insulation on the side and I shoved it way up. So it kind of opens up these, you can kind of see them in there. There's some holes off to the side, so that'll help it get fresh air. Then I'm gonna vacuum out the rest of this water and then see how the the valve is behaving. Seems like it's fine. The water heater fired right up, so. So it's pretty dry down in there now. We tried to get the collection pan as well as the bottom of the combustion chamber. Water heater is running normally. Got it on kind of full blast. I guess we'll turn it down a little bit and see how it does. And we'll be right back. Yeah, it seems, see, it's all cleaned out.
Okay, okay.
I got all the water out. And you got your blue light, which is good, and then that's not leaking anymore.
Okay. Well,
I just,
I will be checking it.
Yeah, and then if it starts flashing red again, then I'll just change the valve. I won't charge.
Okay.
I'll charge Lorenzo for this trip, but if it happens, you know, within a week or something, I'll just come out and change it. I won't charge him again.
Okay.
So that way he doesn't.
Tell him about it.
Yeah, I'll
okay.
let him know.
Let him know.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have hot water. It takes about 40 minutes.
40 minutes, yeah, something like that, yeah.
All right, cool.
Okay, senor.
All right,
thank you very much.
Sergio.
Okay.
All right, you have a good night.
Bye.
Bye.